Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto Brainer. In today's video, I am going to share something amazing, Super Swap. This is a new gateway for tokenizing market 24/7 is going to serving you. If you are into real world asset on the blockchain to hold them, yes, we know about something innovative. Yes, there are many issuer like Axis Stock, there is Ondo, and there is also many other. You can also check as well as crypto holders like many other. If you come with Tesla, that is also holding one share with one token. And here you can also check the broader access to SuperSwap ecosystem. You can easily analyze here 28 issuers and we're unlimited crypto, 22 chains, 11 ETF, stocks 219. There is also much more on single platform you can find too. And here you can also check many other communities crypto, and there you can also find something innovative on a single interface that is going to giving you full control, no broker, on cross-chain access 24/7 team support with borderless permissionless, and from digital wallet to execution in just 3 steps with quick way. First we need to connect to wallet, second is to discover market, and next is to route execute. And this is how working and tokenization could also be big revolution. And my friends, you can also check about the asset discovery as we have already shown you like Tesla with Wondershow 1. If we are going to get 1000 Tesla shares, that will be equal to 1000 Tesla token, or Nvidia, or there is Apple, many other companies. You can also find everything here with this tokenization market super swap. If you are also facing high fees for swapping, there is no more problem. Come to super swap link in my video description where you can easily start trade now. You can also connect your wallet first. What wallet you can connect here you can check out. Like if you have MetaMask, you can click on it and extension will be open. So once you connect your wallet, you can also come here with choosing the asset. Yes, there are different asset. You can also find in crypto, there are a complete list. If you come here in the tokenized asset, you can also check stock. There is commodities, there is cryptocurrencies, as well as there is fund. So we can also check here as I told you about already underlying there. You can also check many Tesla like other shares. You can find tokenized form in the commodities like gold, silver. There is currency like crypto you can also find here. And next you can also check the other countries official currencies too. So you can start on one interface if you are going to choose like stock, and we choose here first for example first one, that is Tesla. You can also search token and other if you have the contract address, and then you can also choose the next. Like if I am going to choose Ethereum that I want to convert into the next, that is about like USDTO. So here if I have 1 Ethereum or 10 Ethereum, that is also going to be fetching the data. Here is also USDTO price, and there is also Ethereum. So it will also get the best result here with quick result. In this way you can also come here with super swap to get all the instructions that are required here, and you can also check a complete flow. If you want to join them, you can come here on the trade option. You can also follow them on the social media links too. If you still have any question, you can ask in our comment box too, and see you in next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.